Hello, Long Isa, mua tỏi à. Như vậy hiện mình ra vùng bài ở chỉ xin rượu nhé. Nay vừa biển nhé có nhé chắc. Như vậy dẫn tàu nó nhốt chắc nhân nhé có. Tàu này ở nhé có, tại vì tàu này nhám ổ. Vì như mình hoa. Ra vùng bài vẫn mà tím nó chắc nó nổi sớm nàng tới tỏng ổ. Nàng tới tỏng nó cho tôi nhé. Mà chắc nó được có miếng hoa cô sẽ to nó giờ tập cô sẽ cái giàu sẽ the guy who drive the boat is my brother and my cousin, my sister-in-law, cousin sister-in-law. We on the way to go get cruise dock and the people have no boat. They can get it from here. The people have no boat, but the people have boat. They go get over there further. And then you can get bigger and more delicious. It's a beautiful day, but it's very cold. We in the ocean. We in Bay Area, Darling Beach. Okay, this side I do, yes. And how green is this? The mountain is so beautiful, so green, and the water is very salty. The water have a lot of salt. Do not drink the water from here. See, the people is drinking over there. Oh, those people that over there, they drinking. They don't have the boat, so they have no choice. When you have boat, see from this side no boat, to this side you have boat. You have to come here when it's a low tide. If a high tide, you cannot come because the cruise dock is stay under the sand inside the ocean. And we came from all the way over there. So my brother have a lot of friends. After he drop us, he gonna go to pick up the other group. Some people use this side, no more boat. Think they have issue. I'm filming. This kind of job, you have to tag team. Look, we bring our home fruit too, just in case. Tag team, you have to have partner because it's not easy. See there, they already start leaving. The sun is out. Yay! The sun is out. Okay, my brother about to park the boat and then drop us over here, and we about to take off. So, okay, we're gonna get out, but we have to bring all this too right here. Those are get up only. No, not up only. This is for English. No, no shoe out. Take out the shoe. Yes, let me take out the shoe. Oh, leaving bucket. This is our. Go out. My father's helping me out. Oh! Okay. This is all the equipment. And this is my family right here. This is where you put your thing at. This is where you block the sand so it can go out. More boat coming in. Okay, my brother is leaving. He had to go pick the next group. And he dropped off this first group right here. And then we have to bring this with us to help them. Okay. Whoa, the wind is pushing me back. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how it looked like, where to dig. Oh, it's cold. It's so cold. It's 34 degrees in here. But we have sun. I see sun. Nó cho hỏi vui lọ khuất ôm nhưng mà tỏi ấy vui lọ khuất đó. Lọ bông bài như khuất. Lọ khuất ôm. It's almost look like that, but it's not there. Everybody is looking for hole right now. You, sorry. I'm so sorry. Look at this lady. She's so strong. Just put it somewhere right here. Just leave it, leave it. Oh, so cold. We haven't found any coal, but something like this. Okay, this is an expert looking for a hole, the lady in red. Okay, I found a hole, and when she find a hole, I show you guys how the hole look like. The bigger hole, the bigger shellfish. It's still early, no hole. No, no, bây giờ mới đi, cái sự giáo em nay bây giờ hơi đi ở. Vô đi tổ á, bữa tón này. Looking for a hole is not easy when the low tide is still high. It's something like this. You see this? This one right here, when you dig it, and then if you see it like a shooting water, then something under there. But when you don't see it, it's not. Those are too small, so the shell gonna be small. Here, here, here. You see another one right here? Right here? Yeah. Oh, you see? I can feel the hole. Yeah, they're shooting. That's why you could hear the sound. Give an example. Here, another one. Right here. Right here. Right here. But I'm gonna bring the bucket over. Cause we're walking too far. Here, another hole right here. Okay, this is part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Part 2, when I find the hole, I'll let you guys see it. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.